So we're now an introduction to Google Classroom. You can actually download Google Classroom in Store or Google Store. Um, Again, you can download the Google Classroom apps in iStore or Google Play Store. We are now in an introduction to Google Classroom. Or you can visit, if you have a PC or laptop or Mac, you can visit it to their website, classroom.google.com. The classroom benefits for teachers are the following. Automatically, it creates Drive folder for each assignment. Create and collect assignment paperlessly. Create assignment and share a single document or automatically make a copy for each student. See who has or hasn't completed the work. It provides direct and real-time feedback. So when you have a grade for each student or when they submitted something, you can say good luck. No, you can say good job and keep it up. Students can easily see what's due so they can stay on the top of their work announcements and start classroom discussions and grade assignments quickly all in one place. So this is the benefit of a Google Classroom for teachers. For students, Classroom helps. Stay organized with one Drive folder for each class teacher. Notify students on class stream when work is assigned and due. Class materials are automatically filed into folders in Google Drive. Communicate and assist classmates through class discussion. So this is the initial screen of Google Classroom. When you visit it, you can be a student. You can start using Classroom. You say you're a student or a teacher. The only thing that you need to do is you have a Gmail account or a university account linked to Google. You create your first class. To create your first class, teachers have the ability to create a class or join a class as a student. All you have to do is to click this plus icon here, a plus sign, to create your first class. This is, by the way, in a teacher view. For student view, to join their first class, they also need to click this plus sign. Bear in mind, this is the student view, if you choose to be a student. In a classroom home, the classroom home displays all classes created. It has a home, the number of students enrolled here, and you can enroll as much as 200, I guess, or 200 plus students. It depends on your account. Access class Drive folder. You have the class name. For this example, this is the training class. You can rename your class, by the way, and permanently remove class also. Class About page. The About page allows you to share information about the class, as well as materials that all students need, such as syllabus or schedule. So at first, you will type the title of your class, for example, Primary 1 ICT, and then the class description. This is for information and communication technology for primary students, so on and so forth. And then location of the class, since it's online, so it's online here, or you may leave it a blank. And then don't forget the teacher's email here, and then class Google Drive folder. Then save it. By the way, you can add materials, attach document drive in Google Classroom. YouTube videos, and hyperlink for them to view. You need to create a new class. So from home, classroom home, you create a class. Then immediately you can name it and include section of optional. This is teacher's view. So we are now in a class homepage, for example, for training class. It is provided here with the name of a class. Below is the class section. Hover and select to change class theme. Information about the class. You can add students here and also stream class homepage. So you are able to, just like Facebook, you are allowed to create announcement or assignment. So it will be threaded on your class homepage. It also shows upcoming assignments 7 days in advance. So you can switch classes and settings here. Students can join with class code. So they will ask you for a class code. Students will ask for a class code. Please give them the class code. It will be here, something here. For students view, a while ago it was a teacher view, and this is the students view. They can switch classes, name class. They can email the teacher. Both teacher and students have their strict Gmail account to receive messages. Information about the class, the views in class homepage, shows upcoming assignment 7 days in advance, the status of assignment if it's done, show if assignment is open or closed. And students can also post messages to class stream. You can actually change the theme of your class. For example, for a computer subject, for this one, you can change to a computer setup like this. You can change pattern and images. From your computer also, you can upload, or the picture of your students can be here also. Excuse me. Have students sign up for class. Teachers have the ability to give students a class code to join instead of having to manually adding the students. So you can send them their email or for invites. So the students will just enter a class code to join and then click join here. You can add a co-teacher or co-pilot teacher to make it easy to co-teach. So invite a teacher with their email. You can also invite individual students, especially if students are just new. You can add them here. Shows posting and commenting rights. The teacher has the ability to decide what rights the students have when it comes to posting and commenting on the class stream. So there are options like students can post and comment. Students can only comment. Only teacher can post or comment. This is to minimize bad words or some students who are doing naughty things online. The teacher has the ability to mute individual students, which will restrict the students from posting and commenting. So this is for some naughty students also. Sharing with the class, when permitted by the teacher and students, have the ability to share ideas, thoughts, and resources with students. Share ideas, thoughts, and questions can be found here. You can upload Drive file, attach link, add YouTube video, and attach file computer here. So the student, the teacher that was a student, the teacher's view now, he can or she can make an announcement. The teacher can make an announcement. Write announcement in a stream, post it, shows attachment link, add YouTube videos, upload drive file, or attach file from the computer. You can also edit the announcement. All you have to do is to click this one, three dots, and then click edit. And you can also add a comment to a post. In student view, they can ask questions or add a comment if permission has been approved by the teacher. Teachers can create a question. Teachers can allow students to see other students' posts and or edit their responses. The pop-up will appear after you select Ask, like this. And also like a displayed question, like this one. Then once a student answers the question, it instantly changes him or her to done. So done. From zero, not done, it will become done. To make an assignment, you can choose this one, online, create an assignment. Then all you have to do is to name the assignment, give assignment description, choose due date, and optional turn off due date. You can have it also. Attach link, you can attach link from any online quizzes. Then upload drive file and attach file from your computer, your teacher-made questions. You can also add YouTube videos, so on and so forth. You can remove the due date if you like. You can add attachment to assignment. All you have to do is to click this upload in your Google Drive. You can add drive file to assignment. So if you have drive file in your Google or your hard disk, please add files in Google Drive. You can also add YouTube videos to assignment. So don't forget to directly add YouTube video URL. Add URL to assignment. You can paste the website here and click add. And after that, we can display the assignment. So this is now the assignment sources, the assignment work, attach work here, and add comment feature. You can move posts to the top of the stream. You just click this one. Excuse me. And repost assignment, announcement, and questions. You can delete items also. You just click this one. Of course, you can access all student assignment in teacher's view and teacher assignment page. So you have all the assignments here in the class. And the grade also, assignment submission, student assignment page also can be viewed in a student view. In a student view, you can submit an assignment. All you have to do is to add and turn in. Put your assignment, attach your assignment, and turn in, meaning you submit. So you can mark as done for your assignment and submit an assignment, meaning you were not able to submit it yet, or you unsubmit it again. And also resubmit it again if there are some errors for the student. So assignment alerts can also be seen in a student view. You can view the assignments to be done in a student view. View graded assignment, you just have to do view all. And they can also check their score. Like they got perfect 100 and 100. You can sort students by first or last name in grading. You can also export grades to Microsoft Excel and Drive folders. So all of this can be found in a Google Classroom. For questions and queries, please drop comments below and we will answer your queries later. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned a lot from me. If you need help in research, thesis, dissertation, or online project, perhaps you need data analysis on your research or assistance for Scopus Web Science Index publication, contact us at Abadianos Research Analysis and Services. We're here to help your research. These are my emails, my Facebook, my SMS, mobile phones, and also my personal blog website. Thank you. I also have a books now available online. For online orders, visit Wise Man's Books Trading Incorporated Facebook page. This is their Facebook page. You can search it. These are the books that was published by Chronica, distributed by Wise Man. I have Media Information Literacy, second edition. Research and Daily Life, one, qualitative. It can be used for senior high, college, graduate school, master's, and doctoral. Same with research, quantitative. This book also is available through Lazada, National Bookstore, and other online platforms like Google Books, etc. For book discounted orders, you may contact or email the author at mark.abadiano@gmail.com, or you may call him at 0932857684. To end, our purpose in this life is to help others. And if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. This is according to Dalai Lama. Good morning once again, and thank you for listening, and see you later. Goodbye.